Blue lava, a mesmerizing spectacle from Indonesia's Kawah Ijen volcano, transforms the night sky into a surreal canvas of neon hues. Unlike the typical fiery red or orange, this rare phenomenon occurs due to the combustion of sulfuric gases, which ignite upon exposure to oxygen and burn with an electric blue flame. As these gases escape through cracks at high pressures, they create rivers of blue fire cascading down the slopes, captivating onlookers with their ethereal glow. The volcano's acidic crater lake adds another layer of danger and intrigue, drawing adventurers and scientists alike. This natural wonder defies expectations, offering an otherworldly vision that challenges our perceptions of volcanic activity. Dive into the science behind this phenomenon and witness nature's artistry in one of its most unexpected forms, where the Earth's fiery veins pulse with an extraordinary cobalt blaze, leaving spectators in awe of the planet's untamed beauty.